Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Instagram stories and exploring a new fun feature called Frames. Frames let you add a little interactive surprise to your stories, perfect for keeping your viewers engaged. So, whether you're a seasoned Instagrammer or just getting started, let's jump in and learn how to use Frames. First thing first, open the App Store or Google Play Store and find Instagram. Check if you have the latest app version. If not, you will need to update. Next, open the app and swipe right. This will take you to the familiar story creation screen. Here you can take a new photo or video or choose one from your camera roll. Tap the sticker icon. It's located at the top of your screen, or just swipe up from the bottom. This opens the sticker tray, bursting with all sorts of fun additions. Find the Frames sticker. It will be shown somewhere at the top. If not, just search for Frames. Let's tap on the Frame sticker. Now for the fun part. Tap on the frame itself, and you can select a photo from your gallery to be displayed within the frame. This will be the hidden surprise. Customize and position. Just like other stickers, you can resize and reposition your frame to fit your story perfectly. Feel free to add a caption too. Post your story and watch the magic happen. When you share your story, the photo inside the frame will be hidden. Viewers will see a faded version and a prompt like, "Shake to reveal." When they shake their phones or tap the prompt, your surprise photo will be unveiled. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you learned how to use Frames on your Instagram stories. Now you can go forth and surprise your followers. If you have any questions or fun frame ideas, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. See you next time.